Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to replace spark plugs on 2023 Porsche Macan with 2-liter turbo engine. This procedure will be similar to different model years of Porsche Macan with the same engine. For this job, you will need new spark plugs. I ordered those spark plugs from Suncoast Porsche, and this is the part number for the spark plugs. It cost me $84 plus shipping. As you can see from this bill, I also ordered oil filter and drain plug because this spark plug change is part of the 30,000 mile service on my Porsche, but there will be separate video for the oil change. You will also need 10mm wrench for the spark plug coils. You will need second 10mm wrench, which is much thinner, or long nose locking pliers to hold another 10mm bolt. You will need 5/8 spark plug socket with extension. I prefer lockable extension. You'll need torque wrench for the spark plugs, set of flathead screwdrivers, and to reset the service schedule, you will need some kind of scanner. I will be using iCarsoft POR V3.0 Scanner. Remove the plastic engine cover by pulling it up. Now I have access to the spark plug coils. I will need to disconnect spark plug coil connectors and move them away so I can remove the spark plug coils and get access to the spark plugs. Now those connectors are sitting on one bar and have to be moved together. You can't just move them separately. Now to have enough room to move them far enough, I need to disconnect this connector, and this one. To disconnect this one, you can see there is a gray locking tab. You just need to pull that gray tab like this, pull it, and now press it and pull the connector. We got this one disconnected. The same with this one. Just move this gray lock, move it. Now press this area and pull the connector. I got it disconnected. With this one, it has red locking tab. It's a little different. You need to use screwdriver and lift this red lock up all the way. And now you need to apply pressure to this black area right here and pull it at the same time, like this. So I got all three disconnected. Now I need to remove these ground wires. To remove them, I need to unscrew those nuts. I don't recommend to use any power tools because they can spin and they can break off the connector. If you have 10mm thin wrench, you can hold the nut under this nut that prevent from spinning, or you can use long nose locking pliers just to lock that bolt under. And now using either 10mm wrench or socket, you can remove the nut. Do the same thing with the rest of the coils. With all 4 ground wires released, now I can release and remove these 4 connectors. To remove the coil connector, you need to release this red tab. Using a screwdriver, pull it up, and you will hear the click. Now, after the red tab is released, insert your screwdriver in this section and twist it, releasing the tab, and pull it at the same time. And as you can see, the connector is released. Do the same thing with rest of the connectors. I know a lot of people having hard time removing those connectors, so I will show it again on the second connector, on the second coil. Now you need to release this red locking tab. Insert your screwdriver, pull it up, you hear the click. Now insert the screwdriver into this section and move this black tab up by twisting screwdriver and pull at the same time. Now your connector is released. With all 4 connectors disconnected and out of your way, as you can see, now we need to remove coils. Using 10mm wrench or socket, unscrew 10mm bolts holding the coil. This is how they look. Do the same thing with rest of the coils. After I removed all bolts holding the coils, now it's time to remove the coils. I mark the coils so when I'm putting them back, I put them in the same order. To remove the coil, twist it to release it and pull it at the same time. This is how they look. Do the same thing with the rest of the coils. Now using 5/8 spark plug socket and extension, remove the spark plugs. Inspect the spark plugs and replace with new one. Porsche doesn't recommend using any lubricants on spark plugs. So now we need to install new spark plug. New spark plug has to be torqued down to 25 Newton meters or 19 foot-pounds. If you're reusing old spark plugs, then the torque specification is 31.5 Newton meters. Make sure you do it by hand. And now you can torque it down to 19 foot-pounds or 25 Newton meters. And do the same thing with the rest of the spark plugs. Now, after we install all new spark plugs, reinstall the coils in the same order as they were removed. Okay, so I got all 4 coils installed. Now, after we install all 4 coils, we need to reinstall the coil bolt. They have very low torque of 10 Newton meters or 7.5 foot-pound. Do the same thing with the rest of the coils. Reconnect the coil connectors. You should hear the click. I got them all 4 in, and now close the red tab to lock it in place. It's done. So we connected all 4 connectors. Now reconnect the other connectors that you disconnected before. It's done. Now reinstall the ground wires. And secure those nuts with either 10mm wrench or socket. Reinstall the plastic engine cover. It snaps in place in 4 corners. And the last thing you need to do is, using the scanner, reset the service schedule reminder. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and if you like my videos, please subscribe.